That reminds me of a funny story concerning my bubby, my mother's mother, who had absolutely no command of the English language. And a couple of times she thought my older brother and I were teasing her. And we weren't. We were doing something, and it occurred to us that she was disapproving of it. And my brother and I said to one another, "Uh-oh, Bubby smells trouble." And she ran into my mother, just raving, saying that we had said Bubby smells terrible, which was far from the truth. And there were other stories like that where she didn't have command of the English language.